Hi guys. Do you want to reset your WordPress password using phpMyAdmin? In this video, we will show you how to easily reset a WordPress password from phpMyAdmin. Under normal circumstances, resetting your password in WordPress is quite easy. You simply go to the logo screen and click on Forgot My Password. The problem comes if you no longer have that email address that's in your profile, or if your WordPress website is having issues sending email. Then you'll never get that email reset link. To go around that problem, you can simply go into your hosting provider's dashboard. We also call that the panel. You can reset it using the phpMyAdmin area. And I'll show you how to do that next. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your WordPress hosting provider's area. It's usually the panel. Or access the panel from the username and password that you've got from your hosting provider. Now we're looking for phpMyAdmin. So we'll just click on this, and it'll open up the databases that we have associated with our hosting provider. You will now see the list of tables in your WordPress database. Now you need to look for the table prefix users table in this list and click on the browse link next to it. You will now see the rows in your WordPress users table. Go ahead and click on the edit button next to the username where you want to change the password. You will need to delete the value in the user pass field and replace it with your new password. Under the function column, select MD5 from the drop-down menu and click on the Go button. Your password will be encrypted using the MD5 hash, and then it will be stored in the database. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your WordPress password using phpMyAdmin.